Introducing Infinity Bond Gummy Glue, the versatile adhesive solution for all your marketing and promotion needs. Today we'll provide you with an overview of this incredible hot melt adhesive and guide you on how to use it effectively. Infinity Bond Gummy Glue, available in a convenient cartridge, is an extraordinary adhesive known for its remarkable bonding capabilities. It is commonly used in marketing applications where a seamless yet easily removable attachment is needed. Using Infinity Bond Gummy Glue is a breeze. Simply load the cartridge and let it heat up. Once the adhesive reaches the optimal temperature, you're ready to dispense. Infinity Bond Gummy Glue excels in bonding various substrates, including paper, without leaving behind any permanent marks upon removal. This makes it the ideal choice for sample peel-offs in magazines or securely attaching credit cards during production. With Infinity Bond Gummy Glue, you can confidently create temporary bonds that hold strong, allowing for easy removal when it's time for a change. Whether you're preparing for a trade show, sending out mailers, or creating impactful marketing collateral, Infinity Bond Gummy Glue is your trusted adhesive companion. Experience the power of Infinity Bond Gummy Glue for yourself and visit us at Hotmelt.com or contact us to discover more about gummy glue and its wide range of applications.